Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, our topic for today is about ratio and proportion. But before we start, let us introduce to you the GCF and multiplication.
GCF and multiplication. Teaching them GCF and multiplication before teaching them ratio and proportion can help them more easily understand about the topic discussed. After that, given the number 18 and 24, we find the GCF of both numbers, wherein the GCF of 18 and 24 is 3. Then after that, we discuss the connection of GCF and multiplication to the topic of ratio and proportion. And as we noticed, students are eager to learn about subjects that they don't know about. Then comes the discussion. We discussed about ratio and proportion, like what is ratio, what is proportion, and how to solve ratio and proportion with given examples and solvings. After discussing about ratio and proportion, we gave them problems like there are 5 juices and 3 kids. What will be the ratio of juices to kids? And then we let them solve the problem for a better understanding about the topic. And yes, they are eager to learn about the topic since they sometimes answer in chorus. After that, we gave them 2 more problems about ratio and proportion. We helped them with solving problem number 1 and we let them solve problem number 2. After answering the examples, we then give each one of them a bond paper and a ball pen to solve 2 sets of following questions about ratio and proportion. And as you can see here in the video, they already know the answer of question number 1. And we also help the other kids to solve problem number 2. After that, we let them answer both problems where we give prize to those who are eager to answer the questions in the board. And as a result, almost all of them got the perfect score. Lastly, we gave assessment tests as the largest part of our demo teaching. We gave 10 questions about ratio and 1 problem solving about proportion, wherein, as a result, almost all of them got the perfect score, which shows that they learn from our teaching and that they are eager to learn about the topic. And that ends our demo teaching about ratio and proportion. Again, thank you everyone.